Hello and good evening. I'm Asha D'Souza and you're watching Goa 365. Our headlines for the day. BJP condemns scandalous incidents in the Lok Sabha. Deputy Speaker inspected proposed site at Kala Bhavan. Mormugao Municipal Council to increase NOC fees. Tri-Continental Film Festival to be held in the state. Now the news in detail. Bharatiya Janata Party termed yesterday as a black day in Indian parliamentary democracy after BJP member of parliament alleged on the floor of the house that they were offered crores of rupees to abstain from voting during the vote of confidence motion that was moved by Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh.
लोकसभेन जे देशभरच्या लोकांनी आणि जगभरच्या लोकांनी चित्र पळयलें तें चित्र पळोवपाची पाळी काँग्रेसीन ज्या काँग्रेसीक जवळ जवळ 125 वर्सांचो इतिहास आसा गांधी नेहरूची काँग्रेस त्या काँग्रेसीन आयज देशाची जी नाचक्की केल्या तेजो भारतीय जनता पार्टी कडक शब्दांत निषेध करता.
Briefing media persons, BJP spokesperson Govind Parvatkar condemned the shameful incident that shocked the nation just 45 minutes before the Prime Minister was to give his reply speech in the Parliament but had to be tabled due to the din and commotion in the House. 3 BJP MPs alleged that the Samajwadi Party leader Mr. Amar Singh and Political Secretary to Congress President Ahmed Patel promised them a sum of 9 crores to abstain from the proceedings of the confidence motion.
एक उज्वल इतिहास या लोकसभेक आसलो तो आयज काँग्रेस आणि एसपी ह्या दोन पार्टींनी बिघडलेलो आसा. ही खरेंच दुःखजनक गोष्ट आसा. भारताच्या लोकशाहीच्या इतिहासान हो काळो दीस सदांच याद उरतलो आणि भारतांतलो प्रत्येक लोकशाही प्रिय नागरीक ह्या गोष्टीचो निश्चितच निषेध करतलो अशें आमकां दिसता.
Later, the BJP burned an effigy of the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi. We also spoke to people to know their reactions on the scandalous nature of the proceedings at the Temple of Indian Democracy.
I had watched it and I didn't like it. Believe me, why? Because they were throwing bundles of money, maybe a crore rupees. It was not good. Actually, we feel the standard is very high of a parliament, of an Indian parliament, and they should not come down. It should not come down so much.
There is no democracy in India. It appears because notes were produced by BJP MPs. We cannot say at this stage whether it is really they were bribed or not. But whatever happened is not good for democracy.
That was very disgusting to see this cash being brought in the parliament. They should have talked about it somewhere outside in the parliament. They took a lot of time up to it and it was very disgusting, but I found it is true.
The allegations they have been posed.
They may be true. They may be true. Allegations they are there, and I know what type of person this Amar Singh and Mulayam Singh Yadav. They are very rude and very bad politicians.
This is an example for our youth, and this is what our country is going to do to the dogs because of that behavior.
That should not have been done, no? That should not have been done. But they do it, no? It is in practice now. Corruption is in practice. So what more you can say about it?
So this is as per you, it is a shameful incident which has
Naturally, should not have been happened.
After the Ravindra Bhavan project in Baina at Vasco, the Mormugao Taluka will be having its second auditorium at Upasnagar in Sankwal. The foundation stone for the facility will be christened Kala Bhavan, which will be laid by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on the 2nd of August. The Sankwal Panchayat has offered a land admeasuring 22,000 square meters free of cost for the proposed Kala Bhavan, estimated to cost 22 crores and to be built by the GSIDC and completed in a period of 24 months. Deputy Speaker and Kortali MLA Mr. Morvin Godino inspected the proposed site of the Kala Bhavan. Speaking to Goa 365, Mr. Godino said that the Bhavan will give Goans a platform to cater to their creativity.
आमच्या गोंयकारा आंगान आमची कला आसा खूब आमी फुडें आसा पूण आमकां केन्ना एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळना फुडें वचपाक एबिलिटीज ऑफ लिटल काउंट विदाउट हॅविंग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी हो चान्स ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी असले कला भवन आमचे जे कलाकार आसा गोंयचे तांकां एक संदी दितले आनी ही संदी जेन्ना तांकां मेळटा आमी पळयतले की आमचे व्हडले व्हडले डायरेक्टर आमचे व्हडले व्हडले फिल्म प्रोड्युसर आमचे व्हडले व्हडले आर्टिस्ट आमचे व्हडले ड्रॅमेटिस्ट आमचे एक्ट्रेसीस जावपाक शकता कित्याक वी आर व्हेरी मच गूड आर्टिस्ट आनी हें जाल्यारूच आमच्या गोंयकारांक एक संदी मेळटली फुडें वचपाक आज
The futuristically designed Kala Bhavan will have a conference hall with a seating capacity of 250 to 300 people.
Very consciously I have included a conference hall as part of this Kala Bhavan. You have all the top industry from Goa at Verna Industrial Estate. They don't have a facility where they can have their meetings. I want this area to be a hub of continuous activity. So they have a classy conference hall with a good capacity of 250-300 people meeting, discussing, deliberating the future things to be done in Goa. Why not? So that activity will be continuous in this area. It's not that we are just trying to have it for the sake of having. Then
he also stressed on the need to encourage youth in the field of art and culture and stated that the Kala Bhavan would facilitate this.
The future lies in the youth. We have to cater to them. And it is the young talent which we have to build up. So if we are making a very small contribution by just putting up a facility, we are just putting up a classy hall. So what is the big thing? They also want to have a sports facility. They want to build an indoor stadium here. Now you will tell me there is an indoor stadium down there in Chikalim, but the people don't go there. This area which is building up, picking up in a big way, people will want something here. Why not have it? You can't say you have two stadiums. So
We'll spill into a small break. Stay with us.